with all things. So this is the real connector we have to cut this connector and make it another one because we have to put cap first. Okay, so let's cut this connector. Just a minute. Okay, so cut as you required. Cable length in other brands, so it's actually a cap. I know my hand is dirty because I'm working right now, so okay, so as you required. Then now cut the cable as required. So I'm taking, this is in 1.5 inch. If you're making a single first time connector, you can measure any idea. And so 1.5 inch. Use the crimping tool pitch, put there and slide it slowly. It's ready. Don't cut it extra, otherwise you will lose your cables. So this is a Cat-6 cable. It's a Cat-6, normal Cat-6 cable. So every cable making the same kind of connector. So this is a engineer style connector. So it is not the professional way. You can, the professional will do in different time. They will trying to make a single connector within maybe 30 minutes or 20-25 minutes. So as of now we are making 15 connectors in 30 minutes. So per connector 2 minutes maximum. So unroll them, all of the cables. Okay, so see, all cables are untied. Do them straight. Some people do like this, but you can like this. You can also use your hand as well. Now what is your code? Well, our coding is we are making a B type. So orange, white, orange. Then next to green, white. Then blue. Then blue, white. Then again green. Then chocolate white, chocolate. So this is the exact connection we are making. Now as required, we have to cut the all cables with this crimping tool. And now remember, the cable should be straight. All cable cut it on a proper dimension. So now this is a RGB connector. It's a Dlink connector, Cat-6 connector. Okay, let's do this. Slide it. Before you clamp, you have to remember 2-3 things. The one thing is you have to see the cable should be go on the edge, top of the corners, and so many people missing this thing. So this is a lock actually. This is holding the cable jacket. So you have to pull your cable inside of that. So this is the proper way. See, the cable, the jacket is on here. So this is a lock. So when I push this, it will be hold the cable jacket actually. So the cables properly. And another way, you can put the light here, and you can see the every connector's face. You can see the all cables face. You can see here. So that will be the very easy way. You can see the all cable connected on that end of the notch. Okay, so ready for the clamping. Before you clamp, you have to see one more time. So check it again. Orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, choco, white, and choco. Now we are ready for the clamp. Push it proper, clamp it. Now this cable is ready for the clamp. You can see here, and after clamping you can see the curls cable are here. One white, orange, green, white, blue, and blue, white, green, and green, white. Now put the jacket, and now it's like a channel cable. Okay, thank you guys. If you have any question, you can ask me.